Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USDT from MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is properly set up and funded with a compatible cryptocurrency, such as Ether or BNB. You will need enough funds to cover both the USDT purchase itself and any associated network transaction fees. This entire process primarily involves utilizing a decentralized exchange, which we will explore in the next steps to complete your purchase efficiently. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet application and carefully select the correct network where your existing funds are located. For instance, the Ethereum mainnet or Binance Smart Chain. Copy your unique wallet address and then send your chosen cryptocurrency, like Ether or BNB, to this specific address. Always double-check both the network and the address meticulously to prevent any potential loss of your valuable funds during transfer. Next, navigate to a reputable decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap, directly within your browser and securely connect your MetaMask wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to swap from, for example, Ether, and then carefully select USDT as the desired token you want to receive. Enter the exact amount, thoroughly review all transaction details, including any fees, and then confidently confirm the swap to proceed. After the transaction has been successfully confirmed on the blockchain, which may take a few moments, open your MetaMask wallet once more. Your newly acquired USDT should now be clearly visible within your asset list. If you do not immediately see it, you might need to manually add the USDT token contract address to your wallet for it to display correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased USDT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.